Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. You can earn over $50 for every play to earn games app you install on your smartphone using this two legit website apps. So like this video, and let's start with the first website app called earnnut.com. Earnut is one of the best and most legit play to earn games website apps. As you can see here, you can earn money by completing different tasks, taking surveys, and most importantly, installing and playing games. Now, to earn money with play to earn game apps, all you have to do is click where it says Offers, and you will be taken to this page where you can find different play to earn game apps to install and earn money online. You can choose your offer type from here, which we will choose as games. Then you can choose your device type. But for this video, I will leave it as is. So just click where it says Sign up and register yourself using your email and password once you log in to Nut. This is how your dashboard will look once you log in. And the bonus tip to earn the most amount of money is to click on this default option from here and select the highest reward option right there. And now the ear nut will short all the highest play to earn games offers, and it will show them to you. So as you can see, the highest paying games offer in my country is this one, where I can earn over $34. Next highest games offer is for $33, then for $31, and so on. So you can easily earn $30 per game that you install from Nut and Play. Nut is available in almost all countries around the world, but for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you. Now come to its affiliate section. Here you can refer your friends with your referral link and get a fixed percentage for each referral. Here you can see you get 5% commission for Tier 1 country, but here Tier 2, Tier 3, Tier 4, and all other countries are locked. Here, 6% commission for Tier 2, 7% commission for Tier 3. Commission is slowly increasing the amount of commission in other countries, but there are some requirements for that. Like the commission is more from Tier 1 to Tier 2, here to get 6% commission, or to unlock Tier 2, you need to earn $10 equivalent affiliate earnings. Then Tier 2 country will be unlocked in the same way. In the rest, like $25 affiliate earning in Tier 3, after making $50 in Tier 4 countries, they will be unlocked and you will get fixed percentage commission from here. Now let's see how you can withdraw your earned money from the above menus. At number 3, we can see Cash Out menu. After clicking there, many payment methods we can see from here. You can withdraw your earned money through cryptocurrency or gift card. You can withdraw your earned money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, etc. coins. Here you can see the minimum withdrawal amount for Bitcoin is $28.78, and Litecoin is $2.94, and Ethereum is $25.132. So each cryptocurrency has its minimum withdrawal amount below. Note that you will have to pay a minimum network fee each time you withdraw. As you can see here, Bitcoin withdrawals will cost you a $12.09 network fee, and each cryptocurrency withdrawal will require you to pay a minimum network fee. You can also take payment through PayPal from here. Now come to our second play to earn game. Our second play to earn games app is the Free Cash app. As you can see, I have already earned $0.56 from this play to earn games app. Free Cash is available in almost all the countries around the world, and most of our subscribers are already earning over $100 from this app. So just sign up to Free Cash and log into it. And once you log in to earn money playing games, you just have to click the offers from the left and select the game option from there. That's going to show you different games to install and earn money online. Now here also you can apply the highest reward filter from here to find the maximum paying game offers to make the most amount of money. As you can see, the highest paying games offer in my country is this one where I can earn over $163.89. Next highest games offer is for $95, then for $32, and so on. So you can easily earn average $50 per game that you install from Free Cash and Play. In Free Cash app, you can earn through affiliate program like Earnut. You can refer your friends with your referral link here. You can see like previous play to earn games, website here, also commission system, which is Tier 1, Tier 2, etc. Country-wise, like the previous website, you will get less and more commission here. And from Tier 1 to Tier 2, you will get more commission, and similarly, from Tier 2 to Tier 3, you will get more commission. The previous Play to Earn game website had an affiliate program just like the Free Cash website affiliate program. Here too, you have to earn a certain amount of affiliate earnings to go from Tier 1 to Tier 2. Thus, you can unlock all tier countries and earn income. Now let's see how you can withdraw your earned money from the above menus. At number 3, we can see Cash Out menu after clicking there. Many payment methods we can see from here. You can withdraw your earned money through cryptocurrency or gift card. You can withdraw your earned money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, etc. coins. Here you can see the minimum withdrawal amount for Bitcoin is $5 and Litecoin is $0.50 and Ethereum is $2.50. So each cryptocurrency has its minimum withdrawal amount. Note that you will have to pay a minimum network fee each time you withdraw. As you can see here, Bitcoin withdrawals will cost you a $0.95 network fee, and each cryptocurrency withdrawal will require you to pay a minimum network fee. You can also take payment through PayPal from here. And there you have it. You can earn over $50 for every play to earn games. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more so that you can get more relevant videos for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.